Breaking news, Golden Hawks. You can now use your phones in school. That's right. HSHS has adopted a new policy called Bring Your Own Device. This means that with certain stipulations, you can use your phone in school. A certain stipulation would be a green zone. A green zone is a green light to use your device. Now please closely observe a herrick in his natural habitat.
Okay, hold it right there, buddy. You got a cell phone on? That makes number 12 for the day for the herrick.
I don't think so. According to the new policy, this is a green zone.
Green zone?
Yeah.
There's no lights around here, pal. It's Holly Springs High School. Just give up the phone.
Well, since this is a phone school now, you can have your phones out in locker bays, cafeteria, hallways, and the courtyard.
In the courtyard?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Now please observe closely. Herrick, untamed and uncut, in a red zone. Red zone. Seriously, Mr. Herrick? Why did you do that?
Well, right now we're in a red zone, and a red zone here means no cell phones allowed.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Now you may be wondering, is there any wiggle room between a red and a green zone? Well, there is. It's called, you guessed it, a yellow zone. It's when you can use your phone in school for academic purposes only when your teacher says it's A-OK.
All right, class, we're going to move from a red zone to a yellow zone, and a yellow zone means then we can use our devices for academic purposes only. Please observe the yellow zone rules right now.
Now remember, Hawks, that when you're in a green zone, you have to follow the HAWKS acronym, which is H, hallways, cafeteria, courtyard, and the media center. A, access appropriate content. Don't be dumb.
Hey man, look at this overtly inappropriate content on my phone.
Bro, this is schoolhouse. Don't be looking at that.
W, with responsibility. Don't take any selfies or take any videos of other students.
Summer loving had me a blast. Summer loving happened so fast. I met a girl crazy for.
K, keep your device close by. The school is not responsible if you lose your device is stolen, shattered, exploded, even splintered.
Hey! Cool phone.
S, sound down. Don't annoy others. Use earbuds. Simple. Now you may be wondering when this policy begins. It begins today, November 3rd. So make sure you sign all the forms your teacher is about to hand out to you.
All right, today in Advisor, we're going to pass out the Acceptable Use Agreement form. You know that's the form that allows you to bring your phone to school, right? So those forms need to be turned into your second period teacher. Students are held accountable for their phones regardless of whether they fill that form out or not. And you need to charge your phone before you come to school.
That's all for today, Hawks. Now stay safe and have a great rest of the school year.
She made me do it. Quick zoom in on her.
Brad.
This is your brain. This is your brain on drugs. Any questions? Yellow zone means when you have to go to the bathroom, use your cell. Thank you.